Software as a service is a software distribution model in which a cloud provider hosts applications and makes them available to end users via the internet. In this model, an independent software vendor may contract with a third-party cloud provider to host the application. In the case of larger companies, such as Microsoft, the cloud provider may also be the software vendor. Software as a service is one of three major cloud computing categories, the others being infrastructure as a service, IaaS, and platform as a service, PaaS. Software as a service applications are used by a diverse group of IT professionals, business users, and personal users. Products range from personal entertainment, such as Netflix, to advanced IT tools. Unlike IaaS and PaaS, software as a service products are frequently marketed to both B2B and B2C users. And now the question, how does software as a service work? SaaS is delivered via the cloud. A software provider will either host the application and related data on its own servers, databases, networking and computing resources, or an independent software vendor will contract with a cloud provider to host the application in the provider's data center. The application will be available to any device with a network connection. Web browsers are commonly used to access software as a service applications. As a result, businesses that use SaaS applications are not responsible for software installations and maintenance. Users simply pay a monthly subscription fee to gain access to the software, which is a pre-packaged solution. SaaS is closely related to the application service provider, ASP, and on-demand computing software delivery models, in which the provider hosts the customer software and distributes it to the authorized end users over the internet. In the software as a service model, the provider provides customers with a network-based access to a single copy of an application designed specifically for SaaS distribution. The source code of the application is the same for all customers, and when new features or functionalities are released, they are made available to all customers. The customer's data for each model may be stored locally, in the cloud, or both locally and in the cloud, depending on the service level agreement. Using application programming interfaces, businesses can integrate SaaS applications with other software, APIs. For example, a company can create its own software tools and use the APIs provided by the SaaS provider to integrate those tools with the SaaS offering. Next point, SaaS architecture. SaaS applications and services are often multi-tenant, which implies that a single instance of the SaaS application will be operating on the host servers, and that single instance will serve each subscribing client or cloud tenant. The application will run on a single version and configuration for all customers or renters. Even though several subscribing customers will run on the same cloud instance with a shared architecture and platform, data from different customers will be kept separate. And that's for it today. Thanks for watching. See ya.